Hello everyone, this is the Olivetti Divisumma 14, an old electromechanical calculator from around 1948. As usual, Olivetti considered that the design was very important. It has beautiful rounded shapes. It was a very successful calculator that lasted in production for 10 years. Electromechanical means that there is an electrical motor that moves all the gears and levers when calculations are done. Otherwise, if there isn't a motor to supply the energy for moving the mechanical parts, it's you that you have to provide the energy, usually by a crank. It uses a kind of complicated and particular method for divisions and multiplications. Now we would think it's very strange. I will show later. It was the first mechanical printing calculator in the world capable of performing the 4 operations and managing negative results. Olivetti didn't produce only typewriters, but produced also a wide range of calculators. These are some of the mechanical and electromechanical calculators that Olivetti produced from 1940s to 1970s. There are both mechanical and electromechanical calculators. The calculators accounted for a large portion of their production, and Olivetti for some time was a leader in the production of calculators. Olivetti had a lot of other calculators in its range. You can see it in this old Olivetti's presentation from 1908 to 1978. Like all the documents I present here on the channel, you can download them from my website. I leave the link in the comments. It's all free, dear friends. Here some different models of the Divisumma 14. This one is a model from the 1948 of the 4th series. It was characterized by the beige bodywork in the absence of the lever to delete the last number. Here there are 3 Divisumma 14 of the 2nd series with different versions. A version with a beige color, another with beige casing and blue keyboard, then this one, blue keyboard and this kind of light blue casing. I like this version. Don't you think it's the best Olivetti Divisumma 14 you saw in the last 7 days? Let's start to see how it works. The addition is simple. First addendum, addition button. Second addendum, addition button. Total button. Here's the result. Very simple. The procedure is very similar to every calculator. Subtraction. First the minuend. Now you have to press the addition button. Then the subtrahend. Now you can press this. That is the subtraction button. Then the asterisk with the total. A little more difficult, but not so much. Now there's the multiplication. With the keyboard you write the first factor. Then, using this other keyboard, you write the other factor, but in reverse, so 47. And you press the total. Quite particular, isn't it? Here there is the total in red, and on the side here is printed the factor. On the paper the result is read like this. Here is really more complicated than with modern calculators. And now the division. Let's try this. Set the divisor here. Then you have to press at the same time the keys of the double and triple zero to take this number at the limit of the capacity of the calculator. Then you press the addition number. Then you set the dividend here in the keyboard. Press again the double and triple zero keys. Then you move the lever for the division towards right. The calculator starts the calculations. The result is here on the side. It's quite different from modern calculators. But it's the 1940s. We are at the dawn of the modern calculator. So it all seems a little strange. Please understand that this is a mechanical calculator. All the calculations are made mechanically with gears and levers. There isn't any electronic inside. And now all the other functions. This is the display, but it only says how many numbers you digit. Do you see it increases as I add the numbers? If you press this button, the calculator performs calculations, but doesn't print the result. With this red button, you repeat the same number when doing calculations. With this lever, you cancel the last digit you set. And with this other lever, you cancel the wrong settings. This is a button to print the total of a calculation. This is the partial total, without resetting memory. This button is to be used if you have to print a number without using it in calculations. That's all. I think it's an interesting old calculator. If you like mechanical devices, you can find many of these in this channel. Have a nice day.